So I'm here at Overton Fisheries. It's a little bit east of Waco. It was a little bit of a drive, but it's worth it. We are adding new tilapia to our systems. Right now we have our goldfish going, and the goldfish have been doing great. But I'm looking to upgrade a little bit. I'm looking to upgrade our system to fish that are easier to eat than goldfish. So let's go check out some fish. So here we are, home sweet home for our tilapia. The greenhouse honestly has looked better, but it has a bright future. We are going to start cleaning the place out. We're going to make sure that we can permanently cover this ground here so we don't have weeds and grass popping up. We're going to upgrade the heaters and upgrade the pumps. We're definitely going to change these tables. These are old lab tables from science, and if you notice, they're a little bit crooked. I'm scared of the moment when they'll collapse, probably over the weekend, and like destroy everything. So we're gonna replace it quick. We're also, unfortunately, we're gonna get rid of these tables here, the table right here. We're gonna make way for a new system. Once we replace some of the parts for the systems that we have, we're gonna try another technique. We're gonna try another design. So I will have you guys updated on that as well. Let's take a look at how our fish are acclimating. You really can't see them, which kind of stinks. That's why I kind of liked goldfish. You could see them a lot better, but I think you might be able to see them over there. You see them? Just a little bit. And then here's the other tank. I think our goldfish are kind of scared. They're all right up on top. Yeah, we can't really see them all that much, but they're there. So we have 39 in this tank here, and we have 60 in this tank here. So that's almost 100 fish, not quite, but almost 100 fish that I bought today and we acquired today. And so now we just need to move towards replacing those two tables. And I think we're gonna replace this fish tank as well. Not so sure about that. And then yeah, upgrade our heating for the impending frost. Maybe put some fans in here. I think that would help out a lot with the airflow. And then start planting. So if you have any questions, come on by B12, or you can type your comment down in the box there. Have a great day.